Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's still your favorite girl, your Gabby girl, EllaaMike. So today guys, I'll be doing a very short video for you guys. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. If you heard about my channel, you're still welcome. So those that keep tuning in, kudos for you guys. So today guys, is just gonna be a simple remedy. I'm just gonna be sharing with you guys how to get rid of your dark circles. So I normally have dark circles, like strong one. See those pictures, guys? That's me. My dark circles never wanted to go, and it was making me darker. Like I didn't know what to use. People said I could use organic products. People said I could buy products in the market and all that. Guys, I was tired. I said I gave up. I said anything I want to have, unless it happen. I'm really happy how it's looking right now. I'm just basically using a few products now, like the same products, like but different. How I mix them on different routines and how I take care of my skin now. So I'm just, but even if how I stress myself during the day, I still have to take care of my skin. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can get rid of those dark circles. I'm using my micellar cleansing water to cleanse my face because this one contains rose water, so I'm going to be using this to cleanse my skin. This is the Ghanaian skin active mask, guys. I'll be using it for my face. So this is what I was talking about, guys. So I'm going to put in these, guys. I'm going to be putting this has like different types. I told you guys I don't do anything without the hyaluronic acid. Like anything that has hyaluronic acid, I don't have it. Even this one has lavender. You know, even my cream, everything must always contain lavender. Anything that's got lavender, I'm always good at this because lavender is really good for the skin. So this one contains lavender and contains hyaluronic acid. So I put this, guys, on my face, and this is so I'll leave for 15 minutes, guys. Shift everything in. Make sure you shoot everything in, guys. It's really cold. So the remaining substance on your face, you just have to just spreading around your neck. Spread all in. Spread all in. Spread all. Even under your eyes. Make sure it doesn't enter. Make sure it doesn't enter the eyes. Spread all in. Spread all. Spread all. Down to your neck. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Awaken Eye Cream. This is Neutrogena Awaken Eye Cream. Then I just take little of this. You just leave a little, and I just apply under my eye. Spread out, guys. Don't do like this. Spread out, guys, and please avoid your eyes. While I'm drying my face, guys, I'm gonna use my simple. Only on my cheek and down to my neck. That's all I do. So guys, I hope you really enjoy this section also, and I hope you apply and see difference as well as results. And if you want any feedback and if you want anything, leave on the comment section. I'm always here to answer you guys. See your favorite guy, EllaaMike, and I'll see you next time.